So you want to play disc golf at night and you want to light up your baskets. Take a look at these LED lights from HIAARO. This is a 2-pack for your disc golf basket, and they work great. So fantastic pickup. You only need one for each basket. I know the advertisement shows you with 2 for each basket, but you only need one. This remote control can control both of them, so which is nice. And the make on this and the quality on this, the build here is very similar to what I found in the MVP lights as well. So yeah, you just kind of open these up, you pop in your 3 AAA batteries, and then there's a nice little waterproof sealing here in the lid to prevent moisture and water from getting inside. So definitely pretty cool. There's 13 LED lights on the face here, and then the magnet, you can use that to attach to any metal on the basket, or these suction cups that it comes with too. They pop right in there, and you can use those to attach. The magnets on these are pretty strong, so work really well to attach to your basket, and they're not going to blow off or fall off. So very well made, impressive. It also comes with this remote control, and it's got your timer, so you can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. There's 3 different modes. So there's a flash, smooth, and fade. I'll show that to you in a second. And then there's your 4 main colors. So you can get a white light, there's a red, green, and blue light. Those are the ones that work best. But if you need a different shade of green, you can get that here. There's a couple of those that go into like a teal. If you want shades of blue, this will get you like your purples, even your pinks and magentas. Then on this other side with the reds, you can get the orange and the yellows. Some of the colors are kind of hard to distinguish in between, but they're in that same color family. So some options there to color up your baskets. As far as yeah, that's about it. I like them, pretty well done. Let's take a look real quick at kind of what they look like. So you can turn them on, and then you can change the colors. Like here's a red, your greens, your blue, and of course the white. So you've got all your different shades that you can go in there too. The functionality, here's a fade, where it's got the colors that fade into another color. You can do it where it's smooth, where it's kind of it's all at full brightness, and then it just transitions into the different colors. And then you've also got the flash, so you've got the 2 that flash through all the different colors. So overall, nice for lighting up your baskets at night. Highly recommend.
These are awesome. Come with the remote. And they have suction cups if you want to put them in. But these magnets are really strong. They just stick to a basket really easy. Come with a little instruction manual down there. And that's it in the box. These are gonna be amazing.